EE Mini TV box disconnections are a common frustration for users. The primary causes include Wi-Fi signal issues, network congestion, and router incompatibility problems. The first and most effective immediate solution is power cycling. Unplug both your EE Mini TV box and router for 30 seconds, then plug them back in and allow a few minutes for full initialization. Proper positioning is crucial for stable connectivity. Keep your EE Mini TV box within 3 to 6 feet of your router and ensure there are no obstructions like walls, electronics, or metal objects blocking the signal path. If positioning doesn't solve the problem, try switching to a less congested Wi-Fi channel. For 2.4 GHz networks, use channels 1, 6, or 11. If available, switch to the 5 GHz band, which typically has less interference. Studies show that 67% of connectivity issues are resolved through proper router positioning and channel optimization. These immediate solutions, power cycling, optimal positioning, and channel optimization, address the most common causes of EE Mini TV box disconnections and provide quick relief for frustrated users. When basic troubleshooting fails to resolve connectivity issues, advanced DNS configuration can significantly improve your EE Mini TV box stability. DNS servers translate website names into IP addresses, and switching to faster, more reliable public DNS servers often resolves connectivity problems. Quality of service settings allow you to prioritize streaming traffic for your EE Mini TV box. By allocating dedicated bandwidth and giving priority to streaming data, you can prevent other devices from interfering with your viewing experience, especially during peak usage times. Regular router maintenance is crucial for long-term stability. Access your router's administration panel to keep firmware updated, monitor network performance, and configure advanced settings. Most connectivity issues can be prevented through proactive router management and regular maintenance schedules. When software solutions aren't sufficient, hardware upgrades can provide dramatic improvements. Modern mesh network systems eliminate dead zones and provide consistent coverage throughout your home. Upgrading from older router models to Wi-Fi 6 compatible devices can reduce disconnection incidents by up to 75%. These advanced solutions address the root causes of connectivity issues. Statistics show that 67% of EE Mini TV box problems are resolved through DNS and QoS optimization, while 23% require hardware upgrades. By implementing these preventive measures and maintaining your network infrastructure, you can achieve stable, reliable streaming performance for years to come.